Okay, you got yellow left indicator, red was brake lights, earth, tail lights, right hand indicator. You don't use the other two, they're for auxiliary brakes or whatever. Hi guys, welcome back to Lanny's channel. Last time we used the trailer, when I got back home to take it off the car, the wires had ripped out the part that connects into the car. I must have put it on wrong or something happened. So today I'm going to try and replace it. I googled Australian trailer standards to try and work out which wires mean what colour wires mean what, and I think I've worked it out because the trailer has the 5 wires colours that are to Australian standards, so that's really good. They built it properly. So there's seven pins, but I'm only using 5 wires because I don't need the auxiliary or brake booster because it's a very light standard trailer. Okay, hopefully it may help someone, or if not, at least I'll learn something. Okay, I'll just strip this last one. Okay, so this is Australian standard wiring. Yellow should be left hand indicator, white earth, green right hand indicator, red stop brake lights, and brown should be tail lights. So it's a 7 prong plug, but I'll only be using 5 of them. And you'd assume this is number 1 here. You'd assume they'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but they don't. They run in this order here: 1, 6, 2, 3, 5, 7, 4. So anyway, I'm going to have a go at connecting it up, and hopefully I haven't done any damage to the bit that's on the car. So we'll see how we go. It can't be that hard. So I've got my glasses on so I can see. Okay, I'll just fold these other 3 over, twist them up a bit, fold these other 3 over so we get better connection with the screw. You just got basic screws you're going to unscrew and put them in. It does have the numbers on there, so that's good. Good old Google, hey? I've never done this before, but I thought I'll give it a go. You think auto electricians want $110 an hour to fix stuff, so I'll give it a go myself. Alright. No, we do. Fold them over. Little screwdriver here. Oh, first thing you should do, I forgot to say, your connectors, run those over your cord first, so that when you've got them connected up and you can do the top back up, you've got these to slide. Okay. Oh, I've got to struggle with this thing. Little screwdriver. I'm going to run it all the way. Okay. Now we're going yellow, red, white, brown and green. Okay, these are Australian standards, might be different in different countries. I'll just try and get the yellow one in first. Very simple. Okay, we got yellow. Now, next, let me look at this thing. 6 should be red for brake lights. I'll try and keep that one there. Which one's 6? This one's 6 here. So they don't go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're in different things. Why won't this screwdriver work? Okay, now this one's going to work. How far up? A bit more. I say, red next for brake lights. No, my hand's in the way, but anyway, you get the idea. It's not real hard, I don't think. Okay, right, we don't want them touching. Red, white goes on 3, which is white is your earth or your ground. Can't see. I'm gonna work on that one. White one. And then brown goes on 7 for the tail lights. Brown tail lights goes in number 7. These are all Australian standard. I had no idea which wire was which, so I googled up Australian standards for trailer wiring, and thankfully the trailer's been done. Well, we'll soon find out, but it's been done with the correct ones that they say, so that's good. And number 4, the last one, is the right hand indicator. Easy peasy. Okay, now that looks okay. I'll just get that, make sure they're not touching each other. You got this little plastic thing put over here to hold that in position. I only have one choice at the store I went to, it's the only one they had. Put that like such. And just put this second one in here. Okay, you got yellow leaf indicator, red was brake lights, earth, tail lights, right hand indicator. You don't use the other two, they're for auxiliary brakes or whatever. I need to slide this one up and over, put it in the 2 slots. And put the other bit on. It is metal and it clicks in. Oh, that holds it as well, but I'm still going to put some tape around it. And where's the other bit? And this one. No, that might be okay. I'll see. That looks like a good seal there. I might just put a bit of tape around here. See how we go. Alright, so hopefully it's going to work. Hopefully I didn't do too much damage to the part it pulled out of. It looks okay. I mustn't have unwound this far enough. I must have still had it round the thing, so when I turned it ripped it out for some reason. But anyway, that was pretty easy. But anyway, once you know the colours and the place, very easy. I'm no expert, I just give it a go. So we'll plug it in and hopefully it will work. And I've learned something else. Thank you very much. Bye bye. easy.